Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. We're on our first job today, cleaning a apartment on the second floor. Carpet is coming out great. Nice. So this unit was pretty basic steam cleaning, no stains, carpet in fairly good condition. Sometimes you find the units in good condition. Sometimes they're pretty bad, where you have to agitate, treat different types of stains, maybe an organic stain, maybe a urine stain, maybe Kool-Aid. You never know what to expect when you come inside of an apartment. But for the most part, this one looks really good. And it's coming out great too.